In this video I'm going to show you how to connect your Nintendo Switch 2 to your TV. So what you will need for this video is you will need a Nintendo Switch, you will need a Nintendo Switch 2 dock, an HDMI cable, and you also will need a Nintendo Switch 2 adapter. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to remove the backside of the dock. I'm going to remove it. Yes, so in the back, guys, we have right here we have the HDMI cable, and right here we have the port for the Nintendo Switch 2 adapter. So what we're going to do right now is we're going to connect the Nintendo Switch adapter. And I'm going to plug in the Nintendo Switch adapter into the Nintendo Switch dock right here. And what we're going to do with the other part of the AC adapter, we're going to plug it in right there. We just plugged it in, so it looks like this. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to plug in the HDMI cable into the Nintendo Switch dock. So right there we have the HDMI cable, and then we're also going to plug it in into the Nintendo Switch dock. And what we're going to do with the other side of the HDMI cable, we're going to put it into the TV. There's the dock, here runs the HDMI cable, and we plugged it in right there on the back. And I put it there, as you can see, I put it there on number 2. You can see there on the back that it says HDMI number 2. That's where I plugged it in. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to take our Nintendo Switch, we're going to turn it on, and we're going to put our Nintendo Switch. We're going to put it into the dock. Yes. So just put the Nintendo Switch into the dock. It looks like this. We put the Nintendo Switch on HDMI number 2, and what we're going to do right now is we're going to turn on the TV. So I just turned on the TV. It says HDMI 1, but we put it on HDMI number 2, and we're going to click on HDMI number 2. And that's it, how you can use it. If you detach a Joy-Con of your Nintendo Switch, here you have it. You can see I'm moving it, and that's how you connect your Nintendo Switch 2 to your TV. So if you like the video, please leave a like, let me know in the comments down below if this worked, and if you like to have more videos like this, just subscribe to the channel.